Good morning, students. Today we are going to do one activity for the chapter Food We Eat. The name of the activity is Food Pyramid. We are going to draw a food pyramid for this activity. Children, as we have learnt in this chapter Food We Eat about the different nutrients present in food, we have learned about various kinds of foods, like some foods gives us energy, same time some foods we need for the better growth of the body. Of course, we have also learned the foods which protect us from diseases. Okay, so in today's activity we are going to learn that in how much quantity we should take these foods, as all foods are not required to take in the same quantity. Okay, so let's begin with the activity. Let's start. So kids, what we need for this? We need one white paper. You can use color sheet also, and you can draw itself on the white page of your interleaf notebook, but I am going to do it in a different way. Okay, what we need to do, we need to draw a big triangle. Okay, first of all you need to make it a square sheet as it is a rectangle. Okay, so cut this portion, the extra portion, just cut it. And now just fold it like this. Okay, so that you can draw the triangle easily, and your triangle should be perfect. Okay, now from this center line you better know how to draw the triangle. Okay, we need to draw a big triangle for this activity like this. Very good. Okay, this. Now just cut this triangle. Cut this triangle. Okay, like this. Okay, see, so now I am having this big pyramid. Actually pyramid is a 3D structure, but we have to paste it in notebook. That's why we are making it in a 2D structure only. Okay, now divide this triangle into 4 parts. This lower portion is for the carbohydrates, means in maximum quantity. The food items which we are taking in maximum quantity is your carbohydrates, then fruits and vegetables, after that proteins, and this topmost part, the lowest most part is for the fats. Okay, so what you are going to write here or draw here, the food items for carbohydrates. Okay, I'm see like this. So write here carbohydrates. Okay, so which food item we have to take in maximum quantity? Your carbohydrates. Then fruits and vegetable. Your protective foods. Then proteins. Proteins helps you to grow in a better way. Okay, and in very small amount you have to take fats and sugar. Clear, my dear? Okay, now I am going to show you one. See, I have already prepared for you this. Okay, see, carbohydrates, you better know the examples: bread, rice, cereals, all cereals. Okay, wheat, maize, jowar, all we consider as cereals. Okay, dhokla, idli, dosa means the things we made from these cereals. All are good source of energy, and we call them carbohydrates. Means carbohydrates, nutrient is mainly responsible for energy. These all foods are energy giving foods, so we have to take them in larger quantity. Okay, then fruits and vegetables. The next number is of fruits and vegetables. We have to consume fruits and vegetable also in large quantity, but lesser than carbohydrates. You better know all the examples of fruits and vegetables. Okay, then it comes proteins. Proteins, you know bache, your pulses, your all dal, whether it is green, whether it is black, urad, moong, chana, beans, rajma beans. Okay, each and every these pulses good source of proteins. And fish, meat, egg white, cheese, dairy products, okay, all are good source for protein. So you can draw any 4-5 pictures of these proteins foods here. Okay, and fats in a very less amount, though fats also gives you energy, you know it, but we should consume fats in less quantity. Okay, both fats and carbohydrates are energy giving foods, but carbohydrates we have to consume in larger amount as compared to fats and sugars. Fats includes your ghee, your butter, oil, and sugar you better know, chocolate, sweets, whether it is jalebi, laddu, and even egg is also, egg yolk portion of egg is a good source of fat. Okay, you know na, egg is having two portion. One is the white one, it contains proteins, and the center one, yellow portion, is yolk, which is good source of fat. So like this you can draw your pyramid. Even you can draw it much better. You can use color sheet also, and you can itself draw on this white page of your notebook. Okay, as I have done it separately, so what I need to do now, I am going to paste it here on this white page. Okay, and don't worry, I am going to click one pic of this pyramid and I will share it with you also. Okay dear, see now how you have to, like this, on ruler page write down the number of the activity. This is activity number 4. Okay, chapter food we eat, and the name of the activity is food pyramid. I hope the activity is clear to you. Rest you can ask if you have any doubt from your teacher during Google Meet. So thank you dear, and please enjoy your activity. Try to make it in a more different way and more interesting way, and use your own creativity. Bye bye.